Hello. Today I want to show if you want to run a scenario on the Kubernetes cluster with the multiple nodes, but you just have a one workstation on one laptop. How you can manage this situation? You can use a kind. Kind is a Kubernetes SIGs project that allow you to run a local Kubernetes cluster using a Docker containers. Uh, it spins it spins up a Kubernetes cluster in Docker container. Each container calls node. It's very fast, and the kind means Kubernetes in Docker. So you need just a Docker in your workstation, and you can install it very fast from binary and a different binary package manager source. I will show. It's very fast, as I mentioned, and you can run different scenario. You can use it for the testing the Kubernetes application, controllers, for training purpose. Um, in order to installation of a kind, I assumed you have Ubuntu OS or Linux OS in your Mac laptop, but if you have a different, if you have a Mac or other OS like Windows, you can check this link, official website of the kind for the installation. You can install with the package manager binaries from the source. Okay, there is a different approaches for the installation, but I will install with the binaries on my laptop, which had a Ubuntu. I just copy paste the necessary comments in GitHub. I will put the link in the description of the video. Okay, just copy the binaries. Just open terminal. Okay. Create a directory for it. Kind cd command. Okay. Same command for downloading the binaries. It will take a few minutes. It depends to your internet speed. Then change the mode. Okay. Okay, it's okay. Then we should move it to the bin directory in. Okay. Need this sudo user. So now we have a kind in our laptop. Let's check that we have a cluster. No, we don't have any cluster. Creating a cluster is a very easy task. Just kind create cluster, and we can define the cluster configuration, how many nodes, how many controllers with the YAML file, and also we can define the name. But in general, we can even use a kind create cluster to automatically create it. So it's better to create that config file. Okay, we want to have two worker nodes and one control node. Okay. You can add a different number of the nodes here if you have a more roles, more worker, more control planes, or so you can define easily with just adding the new role and the name of the role. Then we can use this command kind create config cluster. Okay, create cluster. It will take a few minutes creating the. It should take technically around half of minute, but sometimes it take more time. Okay. Okay, kind get cluster to see clusters to see the okay. Now I created the cluster. Let's see, I have a kubectl. No, I don't have kubectl, so let's install it and okay, I will install with the snap. Okay, get what's okay. Now I installed my kubectl command and I have these pods here. Let's see, I can get a nodes. Okay, I have 3 nodes, 2 worker nodes and 1 control plane, and okay, that's it. Now we can use this Kubernetes cluster to install different Kubernetes application and do different kind of the tests. Thank you.